Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina back in the Hair Lounge, dropping all the hair tips and tricks you need to know to achieve great hair all on your own. Did you know Olaplex has a new kid in town? It is all about Olaplex's number 8, and this is their bond building mask. I read rave reviews about it. I haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna try it together right now. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. If any of you have been here before, you know I love Olaplex. I've done tons and tons of different videos, reviews on all of their other number systems. If you haven't watched those yet, click the link up here and it'll take you to some of those other videos I have done. But they have a new one and I'm so excited. They released it probably about 2 weeks ago, and this is perfect for those people who have really dry hair and you're needing a really good hydrating mask. It has 2 times the shine, 4 times the moisture, and it makes your hair 6 times smoother. But one of the really nice things is if you have fine hair and you've ever used a mask, you notice you weigh your hair down. Your hair isn't as full or as bouncy. And this is not supposed to weigh your hair down at all. Even though it's moisturizing it that 4 times, you're still going to get body out of it. So I'm really excited to try it with you guys today. One of the great things about this hydrating mask, it is going to repair if you have dry, damaged hair. So this is gonna go in and repair all those broken bonds and add all that shine and smoothness that you are not seeing if your hair is super dry and damaged. Leave me a comment down below if you have dry, damaged hair, because if you do, I think this is going to be your new best friend. So to start, you want to make sure you have very clean hair. So you're going to shampoo your hair and towel dry it. Make sure it is not dripping whatsoever. You want to make sure you're really getting all that water in, so then that mask can go inside that hair shaft and really start repairing. Then you're just going to leave it on 10 minutes. 10 minutes, you're only gonna apply it from the mid-length all the way down to the ends. You don't really wanna get it on your scalp because it is a hydrating mask. You don't want those oily roots. So leave it on those 10 minutes and then you're just gonna rinse it really, really well, and you're gonna notice how amazing your hair feels after this. So you guys ready to do it? I'm gonna wash my hair, make sure I'm nice and clean, and come back and apply it with you. Hair is freshly clean and it is towel dried. So the way they explain how to use this product is if you have shoulder length hair, you just need 2 pumps. If you have longer hair than shoulder length, you need more pumps, or if you have shorter, you need less. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps and then you can base it off of how your hair feels after you use it. One really nice thing with Olaplex is they're super concentrated. So majority of the time you feel like you need more, but I've made the mistake in previous videos. More doesn't necessarily mean better. So do what they say. 2 pumps is all I'm gonna do. So, like I said, I haven't used this yet. So 1, 2, and actually that's quite a bit. So I think that will be plenty for my hair. And like I told you, you wanna do mid-length, which is about here down. So you wanna hydrate all those really dry spots. I always like to emulsify it in my hands just to spread it all over. And then I always start on the underneath and just kind of run it through my hair. And it smells fairly light, like a lot of Olaplex products do. It's not a really super strong smell. Has kind of like a fruitier smell, but not too bad, not floral or anything like that. So if you're sensitive to smells, it smells pretty light. We're just gonna make sure we get it all over. Again, remember, you will be rinsing this out. So if you feel like you get too much, that's okay. You will rinse it out. This is not one that you leave on your hair, so you don't have to worry too much about it weighing it down or anything like that, or making your hair greasy since you are rinsing it out. So, and as you can see, I still have a little bit left over on my hands. And so I'm just gonna wipe it off. Then I always like to brush the product through my hair just to make sure I'm getting even saturation all over those hair strands. So using my wet brush, and again, if you guys are enjoying what you see so far, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it if you hit that red subscribe button right now. It definitely shows me that you guys are loving my YouTube channel, and it really supports the Hair Lounge community. And if you are loving this video so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and I love seeing you guys love all these videos. Okay, so we have got it all combed through, and you can definitely tell when you run your hands through it, it's really coating all of that hair and really soft. It feels really, really soft after you put it in your hair. So now we just wait those 10 minutes. So 10 minutes to let it sit and do its job. If you want to, you could probably put a cap on your head and sit underneath the dryer. The heat normally kind of opens up that cuticle, but it doesn't say that on the back of the bottle. So we're just gonna let it sit on for 10 minutes and then rinse really well, and I will come back to give you my results. And again, if you guys want any of these products that I'm using today, I always link everything down below in the description box. So go ahead and look there if you want to know what I'm using on my hair today. Well, we are back after rinsing all the Olaplex No. 8 off of my hair, and you guys, look at all the shine. They were not lying when they said you get shiny hair. And it's weird because anytime I have used a mask or a hydrating product that's supposed to add a lot of moisture back into my hair, it is weighed down, but you can see I still have a lot of body kind of fluffiness to my hair. So if you have fine hair, I know it's not gonna weigh your hair down. Even like, look at my bangs. I have a little bit of curl to my hair, and my bangs are a little bit wavy still. So it's not going to smooth out your hair or flatten your hair out. So just know that when you're using this product and you're looking for flat smoothness, it's not going to do that. It's going to hydrate, it's going to moisturize, it's going to add shine, keep all of that body to your hair. But I would say my ends are looking very hydrated. I didn't do anything except for rough dry my hair, and you can definitely see a difference in my hair. As always, Olaplex always knows what we need for our hair, and they create amazing products. So good job, Olaplex. Love this No. 8, and hopefully you guys like it too if you end up trying it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, leave a comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever about Olaplex No. 8. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.